Hello, it's me Shifa and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share with you about the hostel essentials. I have already shared the first part, and this is going to be the second part of the hostel essentials series. And I am going to share few more things that are important for you to carry to your hostel. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Let me share with you medicine essentials that I am carrying with me. Firstly, one pouch that would hold all the medicines inside. I have kept my migraine medicines over here, so just please don't forget to carry the medicines that you are having and you require time to time. Up next, I have this wet wipes, sanitizer, hojmola, mouthwash, paracetamol, liquid Dettol. For muscle pain, I have this Volini spray. This is an antiseptic lotion or gel. This is candid lotion, Vapor Rub, Vicks inhaler, as well as this headache balm. They would come handy in case you are having cold or fever. Then ORS and antacid. There are some band-aids over here. Then some few more essential medicines like for loose motion, a levocetirizine for cough and cold. So yeah, these are all the things that I'm carrying with me, and I think these are kind of must for everyone because they are so important when you are going for a new place. You don't know how the atmosphere is going to be there, and for the first few weeks you might get some kind of uncomfortable or illness, so this would definitely come handy. And in case if you need any other thing, you can definitely go there and buy from the local medicine store, but keeping these things handy is a kind of good solution. Now on the electronic items, what I'm carrying with me is my laptop, the laptop stand, laptop charger, mouse, earphones, mobile phone charger, my smartwatch. This is an extension cord, and here I am having, let me just show you. So here I am having my mic, my AirPods, and this is the charger of my earpod. So yeah, that was it for the electronic items that I'm carrying with me. And other things like kettle, induction, or iron, so I will go there, and if possible I will take them if the hostel permits me or allows me, otherwise I won't. So for electronic essentials, this is all the things that I'm keeping for now, and if anything extra I need, like in case of pen drive or etc, I will go there and buy it. अभी हम लोग बाथरूम एसेंशियल्स में बात करेंगे. यहाँ पे एक लॉन्ड्री बैग है, रोप, क्लिप, soap case, hangers, disposal bag, mouthwash, toilet sanitizer, Dettol, hankies, towels, and there are this kind of towel. One, this is a hand towel, this is a face towel, and this is a cotton towel. So yeah, that was it. I'm just taking this few things with me, and the rest of the things like bucket, mug, tool, detergent, etc, that I will go and buy from the local market or any local mall, and I will leave a text on the screen about all the bathroom essentials that you may carry with you, and it may be helpful for you. So yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about kitchen or food essentials. So first of all, I am having here one tiffin box. Next, there are some plates, one glass along with some forks and spoons, 3 bowls. Up next I am having this coffee mug which was gifted to me. Up next, bottles. You should have one small size bottle too. Next, I am keeping some basic essentials like sugar and salt, and other basic essentials you may keep or not. I will definitely put a text on the screen, you can check that. Up next, I have 2 more tiffin boxes, and in this I have few homemade foods also, like nimkis and some snacks. So yeah, that's it. I'm just carrying this much thing for the kitchen and food essential. Rest, there are many snacks and food things that I would carry with me, but I'm not packing it now. I will just go there and once again buy it from our local market. Otherwise it is going to be heavy, but I will make sure to make a video what are the things that I'm buying after moving to my hostel place. But for now, these are the packing. Next, few more necessary things. Firstly, I thought of not taking any winter wear with me, but my mom suggested me to take some. So there are some winter wears over here, one chadar and one cover. Then I am having this few more winter wears, muffler and topi वगैरह वगैरह. उसके बाद ये हैंड फैन है, सन ग्लासेस है, बेल्ट है, मास्क, फेस मास्क. Then I am having this cute small hangers. Up next, I have kept all my accessories over here, my jhumkas, necklace, earrings, etc, etc. Up next, I have kept one stole, one dupatta and shrug. So now I am going to share with you some miscellaneous things. Like I am having here umbrella, sieving kit, safety pins, adhesive hook, naphthalene balls. This and this whole thing is for cleaning stuffs, like 2 cleaning cloths. This is 1 cleaning brush, and this is earbuds which can be used in cleaning any kind of surfaces. There is one mirror. This is an eye mask. I will now talk about this thing. This is actually a box, and all the things that I'm having here are the gifts that I received from my near ones. I'm taking them both for decorating purpose as well as for that feeling that though I am far away from my near ones, at least the gifts that they gave me is still with me. So this is I am having for decor purpose. This is once again a coffee mug, a personalized coffee mug that's been given to me. And there is this book, and there are more books, Bengali books I kept with me for my own hobby and love for my Bengali literature. And this is actually a case in which I am having this diary, again got as a gift. Then some stickers. This is some Ziploc bags that can come handy. This is actually the pouch in which I have kept some tiny electronic things. So yeah, that's it. A few other miscellaneous products that you may keep with you, which is this yoga mat, few newspapers, few polythenes, and this kind of carry bags, lock and key for your room or almari or for traveling purposes. Then few organizers like this, few old cloths for cleaning purposes. And yeah, that is it. I am right now packing my bag, and tomorrow I am leaving this town. If anything comes to my mind rather than this, I will definitely put that on my screen. please do check and take a screenshot. And whatever the things that I didn't carry right now and I will buy them after moving to my college, I will try to make a video after going to my hostel room or college. I will try to shoot one video in my hostel room if possible, and till that time I think these things were helpful to you. I hope this video was useful to you in one way or other. If it was, kindly do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put down comments if you have any suggestion or any queries. And as I mentioned in this video previously, that all the other things that I am not carrying right now and I will go to my hostel and buy it from the local market, I will definitely make sure to shoot a video regarding that and show you all the other things that you might require while you are shifting to your hostel. So yes, all the very best to someone who is going to join their hostel soon, and thank you for watching this video.